Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you guys click that subscribe button. Today's video, I just honestly need to get my life together. There are so many things that I have to get done today, and honestly I just need to tidy up my entire house. My house has just become a hot mess. It's been just really busy and things have been piling up. There are so many things I have to do, like clean this closet. I have a ton of clean clothes on the floor that I have to hang up. I have to do laundry. There's just so many things, but I wanted to bring you guys along a kind of like productive vlog where you clean with me, and also I just kind of get all my crap together, because when everything is just disorganized and cluttered, I feel a mess, and I'm currently in that state and need to tidy up and just get everything that's on my to-do list done. But before I jump right into it and tackle the closet, I'm gonna go more into detail in another video, but for now I just wanted to apologize for not being up to date on my uploads. I usually upload every Tuesday and Thursday, but lately I've been usually uploading once a week, whether that's going to be either a Tuesday or a Thursday. That is kind of like the new schedule for now. I will keep you guys updated, like I said, in another video, but unfortunately I just haven't been able to post 2 times, which is crazy because this is like the first time I feel like I've been taking a break on my channel in like over a decade. But I have been trying to get a video up for you guys at least once a week for now. But like I said, updates will be coming soon. Like I'll do a whole video where I just kind of sit down and go through what's been going on and all that. I got my little NICOLETTAXo here. He's up to no good as always. This little boy, who's not so little anymore, has been quite a handful. He actually is just over 7 months and he needs another haircut. His hair grows so fast. Don't you look so cute? You're the star of the show. I know. Okay, go ahead. Go roam my closet and get into something you're not supposed to, as always. He loves to chew on literally everything. Right now, he's actually chewing on one of my bikinis, so we love that. Go ahead and just start with my closet because I've been wanting to get this closet clean for a while now. And then I also just have to do a bunch of stuff downstairs, organize my kitchen. There's a bunch of dog toys everywhere that need to be put away. I might even get to my office if I can. Let's just jump right into it. This is what my ground is looking like. We have a little dog over there that has my bra. Let's not with this one. Okay, thank you. Like I said, I need to put all these clothes away before my dog eats everything. Okay, let's not with that. And it's just a mess. I just need to organize things, fix kind of like the hangers, put away the dirty clothes, which most of my dirty clothes actually in my bathroom, but I just want to get things a little bit more organized. I think first what I'm going to do is go through all these bins and just kind of get rid of anything that I don't need. Or if I keep everything, just fold it better and get it all organized, because I have more things to put away, as you guys saw on the floor. So that's what I'm going to do first, because these are just overflowing, and if I can get rid of a couple things, I'm going to do that. Let's take this all out. I think that's what I'm gonna get up to for today in this closet. I still feel like I have a lot more to organize, but I need to get more hangers, and I honestly should probably even really go through my things on a weekend and just get rid of some stuff, because I have so many things that I just don't even have enough hangers. But for now, I did get rid of a few things. I'm gonna go ahead and list all these things on Poshmark, so if you guys aren't following me on Poshmark, definitely do. I do have a sign-up code. If you sign up with my code NICOLETTAXO, you will get a free $10 credit if you are in the US, or $15 credit if you are in Canada. But I also do have this little Marshalls bag, and these are just things I'm going to throw out because they're just way too old. They have stains and they're falling apart. So I don't think anyone would want those things. I'm gonna go ahead now and just put all my dirty clothes in my basket. But I did go ahead and hang everything. But like I said, I just have so many things. I definitely have to get rid of some things, but it is looking a lot better now. And I have nothing on my floor, so definitely got some progress. Now that I went ahead and finished cleaning my closet, I'm gonna go ahead finally and head downstairs, and there's just a lot of stuff that I want to get done for the day, specifically the kitchen and even just putting away a couple things in my office. So I'm gonna go ahead and head downstairs and let's go do that. My kitchen is literally a hot mess. I have just so much stuff. I just have to do some picking up, and I also have to clean some dishes. I already have like a pile up that I need to clean right now, but I just have a bunch of random junk on the counter. Also in my family room, this little guy makes the biggest mess. Like, look at all this. You are exposed. You are a hot mess, baby. Thank you. There is just toys everywhere. This guy loves his toys. He doesn't like to just take out 1 or 2 or even 3. He needs to like empty his whole basket like every single day. It's just his thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and also tidy that up, which I'm sure is gonna be difficult because every time I start putting toys away, he all of a sudden wants the toy again and he just takes it out. But we're gonna do that. And I think I'm gonna also light some candles because I feel like it just needs to smell a little bit more fresh in here. This guy does not like me putting away his toys. He already took that toy out. Yes, we gotta organize. You are not allowing me to be clean anymore, mister. Guys, he stole my scrunchie, and that's one of his toys now, if you're wondering. That's why he has a random scrunchie. He's obsessed with it. He's a weird little child. Got my candles going, feels so much more fresh in here. I just went ahead and put away his clothes. I went ahead and put my puppy's toys away. I organized the kitchen as you guys saw as well, and I also removed the blankets from my family room. I'm gonna go ahead and wash those tonight. The only thing I really wanna do next is just put away a few things in my office because I just like have a little pile kind of sitting there. And other than that, I'm like done. So let's go ahead, head to the office and get going. This is my office, not much to it still, and buy a new office chair, which I'm obsessed with this. It is just from HomeSense. It's gray and black, and I just love this whole like braided detail. It does go up and down, and it's super comfy. And if you guys see, my box is partially chewed. One day, Mr. Naxos decided to chew up my box, so that was a whole disaster on its own. Here, I feel so much better now that I went ahead and organized the places that I've been meaning to organize. If you guys like this video, thumbs it up. It really helps me out. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Like I said, I will be doing an updates video soon, so stay tuned. Just bear with me. Of course, Mr. Naxos has to say goodbye too. Say bye. You say bye.